So check it out. Just getting ready to tear my layout down. I thought I'd have a little fun before I did. I'm going to build it up on benchwork finally. But for now, until I get things picked up, I thought I'd monkey with this. A friend of mine sold me a set, and I just featured it. It had the NW2 diesel. It also had this Mercury missile launcher, and when I looked it up on the Bay and other places, the Mercury missile replacements are pretty expensive. So I thought I'd kind of make one of my own. Here's a little rocket I don't know, paid a couple bucks for off eBay. I think there was like 5 or 6 of them in a pack. And I threw some decals on it, drilled a hole, and I put some steel stick up in there just to give it some weight so it wouldn't fly so far. The first time I launched it, it bounced off my ceiling, almost went through it. It's a pretty powerful launcher. So I got it so it's pretty decent now, and also the railing on this was broken, and so I used a surveyor flag and some of these little eyelets I found at Hobby Lobby to repair that. So I thought we'd give it a launch. I also want to show you Sound of Power tender I was just able to restore pretty nicely. So here we go. We'll give it a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It still launches pretty good. I hope the people in that tin plate house don't mind. Probably think the sky is falling. So here's the Sound of Power tender. Turn the power on. Here we go. Take the camera and I'll put it back down. This tender came with an auction with about 12 of them, and the tender was originally missing the front and rear trucks, so I took the board I could see was in it, so I tested the board, and I was really happy that it worked. And of course I can use the actuator wheel from that tender for another project to put a Sound of Power unit in a tender that didn't have one, and I've got some Lionel boards already for it. But for now, I got this board in another Marx tender that's in really good shape, just was missing the board, so I was able to restore this one. I also ran a wire, instead of running the wire to the frame to ground it, I run the wire right down to the tender trucks and ground it there, and then you get a much better chuff and you don't get any of that skipping. So here we go, we'll take it for a test spin. I gotta remember to transfer it. That lead flat car has a little banana boat people that my son-in-law printed out for me for a flat car load. It's like a little banana split. Kind of cute. I'm always looking for a flat car load, especially when I go to shows to kind of entertain the kids there. Yeah, that tender really has a nice chuff to it. It's a good board, so I was really happy there. I only paid like, I don't know, $13, $14 for the 12 tenders. And to have the board working and then also have the actuator wheel, that was a double plus. All right, so the tender's working great. So now it's off to finally tearing this layout down and getting ready to put it up off the ground. So it'll be I have some health issues that I've got to deal with. So I've got to finally. People have been asking me when I was going to. So it looks like now's the time. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.